I'm at the Bahia Principe Luxury Bouganville Resort right now, and I'm gonna give you a room tour. Now, last year I was at the Bahia Principe Grand Aquamarine in Punta Cana, and that room is nearly identical to this one. But I'm gonna give you a tour of this one anyways. This is in La Romana, and let's take a look at it. Here we have the washroom, double sinks. His and hers, his and his, hers and hers, or just one person with 4 arms. You can wash 2 arms on this sink and the other 2 arms on here. So if you're some type of weird octopus, well, an octopus has 8 arms, not 4. But if you're an alien creature with 4 arms, this is the good setup for you. In case you're wondering, there is a blow dryer there for you to use. I use it all the time on my bald head. Here we have a deep tub. You want to take a bubble bath, harvest someone's kidneys, and anyways, here's got a towel rack. Here's the shower, regular and the rainfall shower. It comes with shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel. And this is the toilet area for cacas and pee-pees and the sort. Here we have the closet. There's a safe. Keep your clothes here. In case you're wondering, yes, there is an iron board. I am Iron Man. And here we have, here we have 2 beds. But if you want a room with only 1 bed, they have those 2. We were actually given a room with only 1 bed at check-in, and we asked if we can change for 2, and they were able to do it, no problems at all, which is great, because last year at the Aquamarine, they really annoyed me. It was a huge deal, but let's not get into it right now. Still annoyed with them. We have the TV. And here we have, who's that guy? Oh, that's me, sorry. We have mini fridge. Got some Presidente beer in here. Presidente lights. Soft drinks, some little hard liquor bottles, all free to use. Even have little bags of peanuts. You know what I like about peanuts? If you say the word quick enough, it sounds like penis. There's penis in the mini bar. Oh, penis. Anyways, here we have a little desk. You can write down stuff or do your work, eat some peanuts while doing your work. Here we have a sitting area. If you want to sit down, eat some peanuts. And this is just another angle of the room. Right here. It's kind of spacious. It's clean. Maid service, cannot complain. Tremendous. We have a nightstand here. Only problem here, the amount of outlets, it's not enough. So I say bring an extension cord, but I'm gonna show you the type of outlet they have because it's good to know. And this is what the outlet looks like. So these will go in. Alright. This is the view of outside. We're gonna show you it right now. It's very hot right now. So here we got 2 chairs and a great view. And by the way, one of the pools is right there. And there's also another pool that's that way. This is block 53, by the way. Specifically room 53202. By the time I post this video, I won't be in this room. So don't think to break in here and steal my penis, okay? Actually gonna go have some penis right now. Thanks for watching. See you at the beach. jackass.